Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's AI video effects tool. Log in with your account first. Hover over the video effect samples to preview them. Click Use Effect, and you can apply the sample image and effect directly. Click to upload a new image and choose a favorite effect. Click the Generate button. A few minutes later, you'll get a stunning video. Preview the effect before sharing it on Facebook and X or copying the link and sending it to others. You can download it directly or further edit it on the editing page. On the history page, click on a video, and you can check the detailed information. Back to history, you can search for videos by category. You can also download, delete, or edit multiple videos at once. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.